not really that big of a deal.
Well, never so much for that. I better give Daisy the rest.
Oh, Daisy likes.
I thought they would lick the icing off, but
No, no such thing. Dave, you want more?
Crumbs all over her
there is
mouth.
no more.
Grandma, that was the best ever.
Happy Thanksgiving, Days. You got your own cupcake.
Well, 3/4 of it. Dave had half of it. Rocky had half of it.
Rocky had a pretty good bite, but
He wasn't gonna let Daisy have any more
No.
than her
it's like, all
share.
right, she got her taste. Pumpkin's good for dogs, right?
Sure.
Actually, I think it is.
It's 9 o'clock and I don't have a paper yet.
Oh, yes, I do.